Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list so you can keep your connections private and control who sees your activity. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you directly to your personal profile. Step 2, tap the 3 lines at the top right corner of your profile. This opens the main menu where all account settings are located. Step 3, tap Creator Tools and Controls. This is where you can manage your account type and privacy options. Step 5, tap Switch Account Type. This lets you change your account from professional or creator to personal. Step 6, tap Switch to Personal Account and confirm it again from the prompt. This ensures your account is now set as a personal account. Step 7, tap the 3 horizontal lines again to return to the main menu, preparing to adjust your privacy settings. Step 8, tap Account Privacy. This is where you can make your account private and limit who sees your followers and following list. Step 9, switch to Private Account. This hides your followers and following list from anyone who does not follow you. Step 10, confirm by tapping Switch to Private. This finalizes the change and protects your account connections. Step 11, once your account is private, other users cannot see your followers or following list unless they follow you and you approve their request. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Instagram tips.